We begin with the martial law saga. The ex-defense chief, who is believed to have engaged in key activities for the insurrection, has now been formally arrested. Our Seung-jae starts us off.
The Seoul Central District Court on Tuesday issued an arrest warrant for former Defense Minister Kim Yong-hyun on insurrection charges over his role in last week's short-lived emergency martial law declaration by President Yoon Suk Yeol. The court issued the warrant at the request of the prosecution, which accuses the ex-defense chief of engaging in key activities while the martial law order was in place. While Kim did not appear at a court hearing earlier on Tuesday to review whether or not to issue the warrant, prosecutors have questioned the former defense minister 3 times since he was taken into custody on Sunday. He voluntarily appeared for the investigation. The court also ruled that the prosecution has a right to investigate insurrection and treason charges being faced by senior members of the police. It cited the Prosecutor's Office Act, which allows the prosecution to investigate crimes committed by police officers, regardless of the charges. Usually, the police have jurisdiction over insurrection and treason cases. This means that the prosecution will be allowed to investigate the National Police Commissioner and the Seoul Police Chief, who were both arrested early Wednesday. Korean National Police Agency Commissioner General Jo Ji-ho and the head of the Seoul Metropolitan Police Agency Kim Bong-sik were arrested without a warrant on insurrection charges. Police now have 48 hours to detain and question the 2 suspects under emergency arrest provisions. The 2 police officials are suspected of instructing police officers to block the National Assembly to prevent lawmakers from entering the parliament to lift the martial law declaration. Jo is also suspected of sending police officers to the National Election Commission to assist the military. The arrest of high-ranking members of the police is unprecedented, putting more pressure on the investigation. But there are also concerns that the arrest of the 2 officials could create a security vacuum. Last week's emergency martial law declaration may have been short-lived, but a large number of officials from the government may also face serious charges. The police special investigation team probing the martial law incident summoned 11 people for questioning, including Prime Minister Han Duck-soo and other cabinet members. This for their alleged role in failing to prevent the martial law incident despite attending an emergency cabinet meeting prior to Yoon's declaration. Seung-jae, Arirang News.